Hi, I'm Jesse from ProSharpeningsSupply.com, and I've got a quick start instructional video for the 1x30 Super STROP leather honing belt. When you get your package, you're going to receive your leather honing belt, instruction card, white compound, and then to install your leather belt, you want to loop around both your bottom rollers. Hold it up here, depress your spring tension roller, and slip it over the top roller. And give it a quick roll, and it should let you know your tracking's fine. Go ahead and give it a spin. Alright, so this belt is running good. Let's prepare our compound. Now, your compound comes in a little cardboard tube with a metal capped bottom. All you need to do to get the cap off is to grab it with a pair of pliers along the lip and just pull and pry, and it'll easily come off. And then you can push your compound through to expose it. Now we're going to apply a little bit of compound. When you're applying compound to a new leather belt, it may look like there's not very much going on there, but it only takes a very small amount to be effective. And so we're going to lightly apply some, and then I'm going to strop a knife and show you guys how I make 2 quick passes just to strop a knife. And you of course always want to remember to keep your knife's edge trailing. That is, never put the edge of your knife into a moving belt. So we're going to keep our knife pointed down. Now it's very light pressure. I'm going to make 2 quick passes and lift the blade away. And lift the blade away. Now the whole stropping action acts very quickly. So go ahead and test your sharpness, and if it's not as sharp as you'd like, go ahead and give it another 2 passes and test your sharpness again. I hope you find this video helpful, and feel free to contact us from the website ProSharpeningsupply.com or email us at info@ProSharpeningsupply.com. Thanks.